Hello. If you've got a cylinder misfire issue and the error code is 303, 0302, 0301 or 0304, it's basically ignition coil issue. And if it's an ignition coil issue, well, first there are 2 bolts here. You open these from here and there, and since I had already open, so now I had a cylinder 303 misfire issue. It could be a spark plug or ignition coil. So how do you make it sure that it's ignition coil and not spark plug? Because ignition coil costs €50, spark plug is I think a couple tens of euros. So what I did was I swapped this with this. So I took this out, I took that out, I put that one here and that one there, and I waited for a bit, and my error code shifted to 0302. So it confirmed that this was broken indeed. To get started, what you need to do first is take the battery off. Take the battery off, disconnect it. Then you disconnect. There's this notch. Be careful. You have to press it to make it get released easily. Remove that one, and then you need to remove this 1 bolt. They're fairly easy to remove. If you think that it's not easy, getting removed easily, there's something you're doing wrong. Like maybe you haven't really unplugged the connector properly. So you see, there it comes. So here it is. Remember one thing, I realized it when I was removing this. So in order to remove this, you need to remove not only that, but that nut, the nut from here as well, because that gets stuck beneath it. So after I remove that one and that one, this one with wiggling a bit, like you move this one a bit aside like that, and then this one comes off, and that's how you fix.